speed all the way back up the mountain from right there all the way up the mountain.